All right, those are just our mallow cream pumpkin candy. I'm gonna move that aside and bring in a bowl. I've just got 2 tablespoons of water in there. I'm adding to that 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and now I'm just gonna add in my fudgy brownie mix. Just get this all in there real quick. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna get this all combined. We're making a super easy Halloween treat today, semi-homemade, just like my girl Sandra Lee, who I love so much. But we are gonna do this in layers and stages, and we're gonna make this really fun and special. Just gonna get this all mixed up. Alrighty, we got that all mixed. Just gonna bring back in my muffin tray here. I used about 3 pumpkin mallows in each slot, but you can use, more or less if you desire. And you could just use regular candy corn, you could use chocolate, you could use any kind of little Halloween treat that you like. I'm doing about a half of this ice cream size scooper into each one of my muffin holes here. We're gonna be adding more to this, so I don't wanna overfill these yet, because we're gonna want them to have some room to bake up and to accommodate that next layer. All right, as you might have guessed, we are doing a fun little Halloween treat. And this isn't the final layer, but I'm just adding in some fun Halloween candy sprinkles in here. And I'm gonna kind of do a variety of these to make them all kind of fun and special and different. And it's kind of fun. It's like shaking a maraca, So cute. Pretty much out of these little green ones, but we'll just use what we have left back there. Alrighty, and now I got these very cool Pillsbury ghost cookies. Oh my God, how cute are these little ghosts? And we're just gonna place one of these on top here. Y'all, these are gonna be brookies, Halloween brookies, with our brownie mix, our cookies, our sprinkles, our mellow pumpkins. This is just gonna be so cute, so adorable, really easy, fun for a kid's party, an adult party, a bake sale. This is just gonna be so much fun and so easy. All right, everyone, I'm gonna pop these in my oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our Halloween brookies are ready. Now, I was gonna say here, something really good to use with these would be the Halloween M&Ms, but they did not have those yet. I wasn't able to get them, so I tried the candy corn, and let me just tell you, the candy corn does bubble, toil, and trouble a bit, so you just have to be very careful working with these when you take them out. Happy Halloween, everyone! You gotta try it!